Hello, good morning, students. Today we'll start with the new chapter, chapter number 10, title Organs of Government. Okay, so all of you note down these answers in your book properly, especially in your workbook, and write them at the earliest. Okay, now here we'll complete the following question answers from part A first. First one, India, Union, Parliament is bicameral because, write down the answer. India is a republic. India is a republic having parliamentary democracy. Parliamentary democracy. Full stop. India is a republic having parliamentary democracy. Full stop. Parliament is an important Parliament is an important and apex organization and apex organization of the nation of the nation. Full stop. It has two houses. It has two houses. Upper house is called Rajya Sabha. Upper house is called Rajya Sabha and lower house is called Lok Sabha. And the lower house is called Lok Sabha. All of you write the second one. Rajya Sabha is a permanent house because, write the answer, the members of Rajya Sabha are indirectly elected by the members of legislative assemblies by the members of legislative assemblies of the states and the union territories through a method of through a method of equivalent equivalent representation equivalent representation. Full stop. It cannot be dissolved. It cannot be dissolved. Full stop. The tenure of tenure मतलब period, ब्रैकेट में period लिख दो. The tenure of Rajya Sabha is 6 years. 6 years. Full stop. One third of its members retire every 2 years. Retire every 2 years. Okay. Now write down the third answer. तीसरा भी देख लीजिए आप ध्यान से. Constitution and not the Union Parliament is supreme in India because, लिखिए आंसर. India is a republic. India is a republic having parliamentary democracy. Having parliamentary democracy. Full stop. The parliament is an important organization to the nation. Full stop. Legislative powers legislative powers of the parliament are very vast and important. Full stop. Members of both the houses of parliament, sorry, members of both the houses of parliament appoint president and vice president and vice president through election. Continue karo. The parliament has to enjoy its powers. एकदम ऊपर देखिए, within the limits, टाइटल के ऊपर लिखा हुआ है, within the limits prescribed by the constitution, within the limits prescribed by the constitution. फिर फोर्थ देख लीजिए, an independent and impartial judiciary is the foundation oblique cornerstone of democracy because, और cornerstone of democracy because, आंसर लिखिए ध्यान से. Judiciary maintains laws and order by punishing the people who violate the law, जो नियमों का उल्लंघन करता है. Full stop. Judiciary protects the freedom and rights of citizen. Full stop. Continue कीजिए. The solution of issues between individuals and individual group is brought by interpretation and implementation of law Full stop. Judiciary protects the freedom and rights of citizen. Judiciary protects the freedom and rights of citizen. ठीक है. अब फिफ्थ वाला आंसर देखिए. The governor serves as a link between the union and the state because के बाद लिखिए. The executive consists of the governor, comma, CM, Chief Minister, CM, and cabinet, and administrative system, at the state level. Full stop. The governor is appointed by the President of India. The governor is appointed by the President of India on the advice of is appointed by the President of India on the the Council of Ministers, advice of the Council of Ministers or members, sorry, Council of Members, headed by the Prime Minister, headed by the Prime Minister. Full stop. He is he is consulted by the President. He is consulted by the President for the appointment of judges, by the President for the appointment of judges in the High Court. In the High Court. Full stop. A governor may belong to any political party. A governor may belong to any political party, but after assuming the post, इसके आगे का अगर ध्यान में नहीं आ रहा तो मैं बोल रहा हूं, after assuming, ASSUMING, assuming the post, comma, the governor has to perform his duties firmly, FIRMLY, firmly and impartially, Full stop. Now the sixth give reason. Efficient and experienced civil servants serve as the backbone of the government. Because, अब लिखिए आंसर, political and administrative executive are the two organs of the government. वापस बोलता हूं, political and administrative executive are the two organs of the government. Full stop. The political executive frames various policies to different fields. Full stop. The detailed and efficient implementation of these policies is done by the administrative executive. Full stop. The administrative system provides the necessary backup to the executive or backing to the executive, backup to the executive in the formation, in the formulation बोल सकते हैं आप, in the formulation and implementation of the policies, of the policies. So progress can be made in the field of, so progress can be made in the field of foreign relations, foreign relations. इसका आंसर आप कंटिन्यू करेंगे तो मेरे हिसाब से लगभग वो जो लास्ट पेज है इसका, लास्ट पेज पे शायद दिया होगा कुछ, हाँ एंड में लास्ट पेज जब आप पढ़ेंगे तो उस वक्त ये बाकी का जो एंडिंग का आंसर है तो वो कंटिन्यू कर देना प्लीज। ओके, जो फर्स्ट पेज का है, सिक्स्थ वाला, एकदम बिल्कुल पहला पेज अभी जो हम पढ़ रहे थे, ओके, सिक्स्थ वाले का कंटिन्यू करो। फॉरेन रिलेशन के बाद एंड में देखो, आप देख सकते हो ये दिया हुआ है, ये फॉर दिस एक्सपर्ट एंड प्रोफेशनल, for this expert and professional, comma efficient, comma experienced public servants work continuously work continuously and as a result of country and as a result of country it is found well developed, it is found well developed. Okay, ये लिख दिया। now next, seventh one, the president has been given special pass at the time of emergency because, answer, president is the constitutional head of India, constitutional head of India, full stop. All the executive powers of the federal government, शुरुआत से बोलता हूँ, president is the constitutional head of India, full stop. All the executive powers of the federal government, of the federal, FEDERAL, federal government is given to the president, is given to the president is given to the president by the constitution, by the constitution. First stop. All the administration of the central government of the central government is carried out in the name of president, in the name of president, full stop. He is the head of the nation. He is the head of the nation, full stop. At the time of emergency, at the time of emergency, the government cannot function, the government cannot function, and and therefore therefore at the time, at this time, the president has been नहीं दिया हुआ है, लिखा नहीं है वहां पे. The president has been given special powers, special powers. Next page, question number 8. The president cannot refuse to give assent to or return for consideration a money bill passed by parliament because क्यों? A bill will not become an act without the signature and assent of the president. Without the signature and assent of the president. 9th में देखिए, the Rajya Sabha does not elect its chairman because the vice president of India by virtue of his office holds the office, holds HOLDS, the office of the chairman of Rajya Sabha, holds the office of the chairman of Rajya Sabha. And the last one for the give reason, the president nominates 12 members to the Rajya Sabha because these nominated members should be having special knowledge or practical experience with respect to literature, arts, culture, sports, etc., so that they can give their service to the nation. They can give or provide, लिख सकते ब्रैकेट में, provide their service to the nation. Now check all the fill in the blanks properly, which is asked for 1 mark each. First one, the dash nominates 12 members of the Rajya Sabha. Spelling mistake है, on की जगह पे off कर दीजिए सब लोग. कौन आता है 12 members? President. The president nominates 12 members of the Rajya Sabha. Then the second, the dash is an integral part of the Union Parliament. Who is said to be the integral part of the Union Parliament? In that answer, same one, President. The President is an integral part of the Union Parliament. Now check the third one. A money bill is first introduced in the dash house. It is introduced in the Rajya Sabha. In bracket you can mention it as a upper house. Rajya Sabha is the upper house. Fourth one, the dash is the ex officio chairman of Niti Ayog, that is Planning Commission. Planning Commission के ex officio chairman, गिना जाता है नीति आयोग के. Who is that? The Prime Minister. The Prime Minister. Prime Minister. Fifth one, in the event of even distribute of votes, the dash exercises the casting vote. कौन कर सकता है वोटिंग के डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करने के बाद? Speaker. Write down the answer, Speaker. Then sixth one, the Panchayat Raj has a dash structure, that is organization. How many tier? 3 tier structure. 3 विभागों में उनको बांटा जाता है. पंचायती राज को 3 हिस्सों में बांटा जाता है, इसलिए उसको 3 tier कहते हैं. TIER, parts. Seventh one, the dash presents the budget before Parliament. Who presents it? Finance Minister. Finance Minister. And the last one of fill in the blanks. According to 73rd Amendment of Constitution, dash provision was made. कौन सा provision बनाया गया था? Urban Institute of Self-Governance. Okay, and then now in the next session we'll continue with the true or false and other remaining parts.